people, this is TMC TV. My name is Omo Aluke Ajakaye, and right now the Ogbonge community, sake of the Prince builders and estate developers, want to do groundbreaking for their estate when they for here. You go remember, say some days ago, we go Ogbe on Nevusa community, sake of the Prince builders when do groundbreaking for one of their estates for there. And this estate for Ogbonge community, it is 10 minutes away from the airport. Make una join us as we give now Ogbonge story concerning this matter. The Prince builders and that Ogbonge company went into real estate for over 15 years, since 2007. What did we do? We did turn tenant to landlord. This is our Ogbonge estate went there for Ogbonge Newosa off Airport Road. Now just 10 minutes to the Benin Airport. For this estate, we go boost of infrastructure, good access road, we'll boost of steady power supply. Also, when it comes to shopping complex, it go there here. Police station go there, schools go there, and so many other better amenities go there for this estate. Now estate wey be say you fit buy house. If you want buy house, we go give you house for 50 million naira, standard duplex. If na bungalow you want, we'll give for 40 million naira. And for the first 50 person, we dey give each 100 by 100 currently for 4 million naira for the first 50 person. Now, what you go gain if you buy from the Prince builders? For this our estate, you not go pay umolu, you not go pay community development fee, you not go pay anything wey concern agency fee. For this estate, when you buy from us, you get this last mind when you dey build your property. So take advantage of all this opportunity when the Prince that God bring to your doorstep. If you buy 10 plots, we will give you 1 plot of land free. If you bring 10 persons, we will also give you 1 plot of land. If you recommend person to us, you also get your own commission. So take advantage of all of this when the Prince that bring for you. Either you want waka enter our Benin office, when they for Comfort Plaza A4 ATT offer this one for GRA, or you want waka go our Lagos office, when they for 047 048 for Ikota Shopping Complex for VGC Aja Lagos, or you want waka go our office for Abuja, wey dey for number 10 Durban Street, we say to Abuja. Come any of our offices and we go attend to you. Not forget, say our customer care service, the customer number, when it be 080 779 777777. 080-779-777777. This customer care they run for 24 hours. Even if say you dey abroad or you dey Nigeria, you want call us even at 12 a.m. or 2 a.m. for early in the morning or for night. You fit still reach us because this customer care line now 24 hours. For there, we go let you know how you want to buy from us and how our documentations dey intact. This estate is going to boost our steady power supply. Now, gated estate wey be say gates go dey, security personnel go dey the estate, and also you see and say we dey clear the place to make sure say the place dey habitable for everybody. Now, just 10 minutes to Benin Airport. So for this place, everything wey you dey find say you wan buy, we go make you comot for inside estate. Everything dey here, so you no need to comot for inside this estate for you to get your comfort, for you to feel jolly well for the estate. Everything dey intact. So if you want rush come our office, which I already tell you before, come our office for Etete for offer this one for GRA to come buy any of our properties.
I be civil engineer where they build for Prince Builder. The Prince Builder na person where be say they can build where they build for their estate, not be anyhow building. Now the building where be say if you dey inside it, you no go fear for collapsing. You no go fear whether anything go happen to you. And the way where you take the building your own, it's different from the way where others they build their own. In they make plan where so that when you build them and when you come in, you no go like to go another place. If you Prince Builder na person where be say he get target and that in target na the future where be say you go say yes, I like am. We dey build 4-bedroom bungalow, mini flat like a 3-bedroom flat. We dey build also duplex, but the one for at this our estate we dey have uniform building, not be anyhow building we dey put here. All of them they be the same. Even the gate, if you dey pass the gate, you go see say the gate dey okay.
I buy 10 plots from the Prince Builder and he give me 1 plot for free. So I can't tell am say the way I fit pay this land because I not get money in full. I tell am say na like try 3 times I go fit do the payment. Because them say no issue as long as say I'm committed to pay the money for the land. So I can't pay involved for the land issue. And since when I involved for the land issue, I know they get anything like stress for this land. The environment they okay, and security wise they okay as well.
And currently I'm at the Prince Builder's estate at Ogbonge Nebusa, now selling. The first 50 persons to come and buy from this estate gets 100 by 100 for 4 million naira. We enjoy 20% discount to all our customers, and you know, the place is developed, like really developed. For just 1 minute drive from the third road to where the land is. When you buy 10 plots, you get 1 free. When you bring 10 persons to buy, you also get 1 free. You enjoy 20% discount when you get property from the Prince Builders. One thing I want to say about the Prince Builders, which I know I've been working with them for a very long time, when you buy property from us, you are 100% safe, secured. Nothing like come and pay or don't wait up money or all of these ones. No, buy and rest, buy and relax. In fact, they are the safest. We are the safest people, or the best. For me to say, we are the best leading real estate company in Nigeria. In fact, very soon we will contend for the world at large as well. So when you get land property from us, don't forget you are rest assured that you're not going to have issues at all.
My people, you don't hear the matter they be for here. The MD of the Prince Builders and estate developers don't chook mouth. Their brand ambassador don't chook mouth. Buyer don't chook mouth. Engineer and Parkpa when they in charge of the building don't still chook mouth. You hear I'm say for here, no community development fee. The estate TSF, they gated, Ogbonge security day, and community don't agree with them. They don't even still collaborate with government to make sure say everything for here go CDD where they. My name is Omo Aluki Ajakaye, and this na TMC TV.